Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm Stephanie if you're new here. So today I'm going to share two recipes with you. I've made something similar to this recipe in the past. So I've made an Amish casserole. This is pretty close to that. I don't even know, actually, I don't even have the name for it, but it's pretty similar to that. So we're just going to do eggs, hash browns, cheese, onions, and sausage. That's what I did with that recipe. But this one is like a cheesy tater tot breakfast. I think it's called on Pinterest. So we're just going to try that out. And I'm also going to be making a cinnamon roll. We've been making cinnamon rolls lately with croissant rolls, and we really like it. But I found this one, and it is cinnamon crumb dessert pizza. So we're going to try that out today. That one is a little bit more of a prep than the other one with the croissant rolls. This one is going to be where you need some instant yeast. So it's going to take a little longer for that to set before making it. So we're going to get started here and get that done. I also want to share with you a little haul with you from what I got at the dollar store. I found some stuff that a lot of people have been sharing on their Dollar Tree hauls. So I want to give it a try. I want to see if I'm going to like it at all. I'll probably add it to today's video and use it, and I'll let you know if I like it. But we're going to get started here. We're going to get the day going. I have to get chores done. I have to run some places, and we have to get everything done before I need to go. So we're going to get this started. This casserole takes about 40 to 45 minutes in the oven. It is around 8:30. We will have breakfast, we will do chores, and then the rest of the day, I don't have a lot planned. But I just want to share what I found at the dollar store and share with you this breakfast today. so I have the casserole done. It's right over there. I have that done. I'm waiting for the cinnamon roll to be done, and I'm going to show you what I got from the dollar store. It's not much. It's just a couple little items that I got, but I mainly wanted to go for two things, and the kids wanted some flip-flops. So let me turn you guys around and I'll show you what I got. The main reason why I went to the dollar store was to get these drying mats. I have contact paper on my countertops, and that is like a high wet area. So I like to put something down, either a towel or I don't know, just anything down so that it doesn't stay wet. I saw these on another video that someone was sharing, so I ended up picking up two of them. Another reason why I went to the dollar store is I wanted to get this product. A lot of people have been sharing it on their Dollar Tree hauls. I didn't realize that our Dollar Tree had it there, so I wanted to give it a try. This is for dishes, and this one is the all-purpose cleaner. I just tried it out and I like the smell of it anyways, so we will, keep using it, and if I like it, I'll keep getting it. For $1.25 for an all-purpose cleaner is great, and this one is with plant-derived ingredients. It cuts tough grease grime with a pleasant peppermint scent. Glass, countertops, wood, tile, and stone. So I'd be surprised if this works on glass or windows and not leave a mark, but I will try it out first and see if it even works on windows, but I would mainly just use it in the kitchen. All right, I also got some forks and spoons. I am going to go back and get more just because I have a graduation coming up in August. I need a lot of this. I also will go to Sam's Club and check out there to see what they have for, large amounts of this, because I'm going to need it. I also got some scrubbies from there because I'm going to be sharing something else with you in another video, so I needed to get a couple of these. I also got some flossers there. I didn't realize that they have good flossers there, so we're going to try this out. This is for the kids, and this is the double, let's see, ones. This one is double twice the clean. So I've been getting mine at Walmart in the dollar section, and we really like them. So I'm hoping these are going to be the same. This one is minty, and for the kids one is berry awesome. That's what it says. So I might even go back and get more of them. I got some crayons. We have a lot of crayons, but these look fun there. So these are neon, these are bold and bright, and then some washable markers. They're pulling out all the school stuff right now, so I was able to pick this up. I'll probably go back and get more for the next year. I got Evelyn some flip-flops, and then I got the twins some camouflage flip-flops. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave the recipes for both meals or breakfast ideas down in the description of the video. The kids like the cinnamon pizza, but they said that we needed more frosting on top. If you guys have eaten at Pizza Ranch and you tried the cactus pizza, that's similar to how this is and how to make it. So it is good. I think I'm going to do the crust a little bit different, but overall I think it turned out pretty good. I will leave that all down below. I got them both off of Pinterest. If you guys saw my Amish breakfast video, that casserole that I made this morning is really similar to that one. I think I just used different cheese for that one, but that's about it. So All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave everything down in the description. You guys can check it out. I also will leave my past breakfast videos for our family. Let me know if you guys are enjoying our large family breakfast, and don't forget to subscribe because I am sharing more of these videos weekly. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.